Now in this tutorial I would like to show you how to center text in GIMP. So first we need to create a new project, so I go to File, then I go to New, and then I click OK button to create a new image. Now when our background has been successfully created here, we need to go to Text tool. It will let us to create or edit text layers. Of course you can type T from your keyboard to use this tool, and then we need to click somewhere here on the background. We can change the font, we can type the font size. For example, I recommend you to type here 200. It will be better readable. And then I press Enter and Escape and I type text. Now if you will type your text, you need to go to Alignment tool and we need to select our text. After that, we need to click on this one option, Align Relative to, Align Anchor Points of Targets on Vertical Middle of Reference. And of course we can click on this one option, Align Anchor Points of Targets on Horizontal Middle of Reference, and then this text will be centered on the background. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.